All right, guys, we're so excited right here in Dubai. We are so very excited. We just finished amazing sessions with our trainer, Platinum trainer, exclusive trainer, incredible trainer. His name is Dennis Luz. Guys, this has been a phenomenal event so far since arriving in Dubai. And right here in our office in Dubai, we have some top leaders. Guys, are you excited? Have you Now, what is even this excitement? What is it that? What is the matter? What is that?
Our PSC card is ready.
Wow!
PSC card.
Are you kidding?
This is a dream come true. A dream come true, Africa.
Wow.
Reality.
Guys, I don't think you understand what they're talking about. See, these guys are showing us the card they've gotten. There are more than 4,000 cards. Some of us couldn't get because the forms were filled. We couldn't fill them in time. But more than 4,000 cards have been ordered already, and so everyone who is qualified for the card will eventually get their cards. Platinum keeps their promise.
Yes.
You see, a lot of secure boxes have been released already. There are cartons of secure boxes right here. Platinum is a company that keeps their promise. Probably you are thinking, what kind of card is this? Can we see the names on your card so far?
Wow.
This is Joe Wilson Bukoro. Is that you?
Yeah, that is me.
Okay.
I got it.
This is Sarah Favors Nano. Is that you?
Yes, this is the one and only Sarah.
Okay. This is Dorcas Obije. Is that you?
Yes, it's me with my
Fantastic.
PSC card.
This is
Afo.
Dorcas.
Cameroon.
Is that you?
Yes, of course, that is me.
The only Dorcas
And
from
this is
Cameroon.
the Andrew Imafidon evidence.
AKA Honorable.
Honorable. The apostle of money matter.
God punish devil.
And this is Christy Love.
And we have Christy Love. And we have
And this is, of course, you and there. You know, my card is on its way.
fantastic.
The only
Now-
grammar mistress.
And definitely, you see, that's mine right here. You can see that.
Yes.
Guys, this is a really big deal. We are so excited. All these cards you see, they are not just cards, they are metal. Look at it. You see? Are you seeing it? They're not, are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Back.
Yes.